Hey, this is TANIMAYTO. I heard that you wanted to learn a song that isn't House of Gold by 21 Pilots. So I am here to teach you how to play Refrigerator. It's a super easy song. Most of the song is just 2 chords. And then the bridge introduces 3 chords that you already probably know. So here we go. The chorus consists of what sounds like a challenging chord. It's called F major 7. It's played like this by barring the 5th fret and putting your ring finger on the last string on the 7th fret. Got it? Okay, cool. And the last one is C. A lot of people play C like this. It's a kind of like a lower, mellower sound. I play my C like this because it's a little more high, it's more exciting, and sometimes when I really get into the strumming, I like muting the fretboard to give it like more of a rhythmic sound, and you can't do that with an open string C because you can't mute the fretboard when you have open strings. So that's the first part of the song. There's this ditty. And then you do that for both chords. And then back to C. And then you do the last string on the bottom again. Oh no! Do you want to see my insides? So that's the basic chord progression. I hear you asking, Chris, how do you strum this thing? And the best way I could describe it is strumming is a mystery to me. I mean, like, I just kind of like practice. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Down, down, up, down, 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 up, down, down. Is kind of how it goes. I don't know. It, as I said before, it also helps to like mute the chords every now and then. So if your chord is like, it sounds like really clean, but every now and then if you kind of like pulse your fretboard and like let go while still loosely holding on to the strings, it'll make this like muted string sound, and it just sounds nice. Do that. Mute your strings a lot. I say, me, novice ukulele player, says. So that's the verses and the chorus. So even the chorus is like F major 7. Oh no, oh no, C, oh no, no, oh no. F major 7. Oh no, C. And then it's bridge time. So the first chord you're going to want to learn for the bridge is D minor. It's near the top, and it's almost like an F, but it's not. Yep. And then back to C. This could be the low version or the higher version of C, but I'll use the lower version in this one because it's just like a more mature, lower sound, and I'm not going to have to mute the strings. And an F. Back to D minor, and an E to add like a little like a hot like flamenco sound to it, like a dun, 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 dun. Oh, and then back to F major 7. And back to C. That's how you play the refrigerator song. And it sounds a little something like this. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Do you want to see my insides? I think they're alright. I held them in for a really long time. Scrambled eggs and some really bad wine. Oh no, I know it's not okay to let this hibernate. I saw your picture online and I evaporate. Oh no, oh no, 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 oh no. We know there's nothing good left over. I'm gonna clean out every drawer. Turns out there's nothing left inside, but I'll keep it cool. I'll keep it cool. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. And that's how you play refrigerator. Okay, good luck. Have fun with it. And if you post a cover, tell me about it on Twitter. I'll retweet it. Bye.